Arm waves are important no matter what type of hip hop you are doing. They just change based on whatever style you are performing. So when you're doing them, the general things to remember is where each of your joints are. You have joints in each of your fingers. You have your knuckles. You have a wrist. You have an elbow. You have shoulders. And any type of arm wave you are doing, you are passing from one joint to the next. Sometimes more popped, sometimes it's more of a roll and a gentle wave. Like I said, it depends on what you're doing.
Any type of arm wave, no matter what you're doing, always starts palm down. You want to be able to pass from one side to the other. Now, there are differences in how you execute an arm wave based on the style you are dancing. So, popping, you make sure that you isolate each individual joint and that joint has to lower before the next one rises. So, it pops along the way. For today's purposes, we're just doing very generic, run of the mill arm waves. We begin palm down. You start with your fingers. Now, I suggest a couple of different ways to learn this. You can either start with your fingers and work your way to your shoulder on over and out the other side, or you can start with your shoulders and press the wave away from you. Everybody learns these differently, so you have to figure out which method is going to be best for you. So again, you can start with the fingers and push it into the shoulders, or you can do shoulders on out. Now again, you can go side to side. You can go away from your body to your body. They can go forward and back. They can go up and down. There's so many options. The goal with a generic arm wave should be as though you're able to roll a ball up and over your body and pass through the other side. And then you want to be able to roll that back. So a standard arm wave should be fairly smooth.
I will see you tomorrow as we talk about heel toes. I will see you then.